Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the language in your BMW 1 Series. First, locate your iDrive controller, typically found on the center console. Rotate the controller to navigate through the main menu options displayed on your screen. Once you find Settings, press down on the controller to select it. This action will open a new menu with various customization choices. After entering the Settings menu, you will see a list of different categories. Look for the Language option, which is usually near the top or bottom of the list. Select it to reveal all the languages your BMW supports. Use the iDrive controller to scroll through this list. When you find your preferred language, simply press the controller to make your selection. Once you have selected your new language, the iDrive system will typically ask for confirmation. This is a crucial step to ensure you've made the correct choice. Confirm your selection by pressing the controller again. The system will then begin to apply the changes. This process usually takes only a few seconds, and you will notice the display text and voice prompts update immediately. If the language does not change immediately, try restarting your iDrive system by holding down the volume button for about 30 seconds. For more detailed instructions, or if you encounter persistent issues, refer to your BMW 1 Series owner's manual. It contains specific guidance for your vehicle's model. Alternatively, a BMW service center can provide expert help and ensure everything is set correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.